So I'm currently in the process of moving. As you can see, everything is kind of gone. The place is a little bit of a mess, but I'm packing here. And I wanted to show you guys what I pack when going on a trip. This is a INESB thermal, number 2. We got my new hoodie I'm releasing. It's inspired by Japanese mending. So that's going to be dropping in January alongside these like wide whale corduroy. Pretty excited about that. I also made those into some like shorts. This striped long sleeve. We've got my hat I made. I'm leaking everything. My vintage New York Yankees crew neck. If you've been a fan of the channel, you've seen this since the beginning of time. Still have it. I mess with keeping things for a long time. There used to be a patch on it and then they took it off. I got these on the side of the road for like $5. Leather Converse. We got my Prada dress shoes. This denim jacket you guys have all seen. These Margiela pants. I'm wearing another pair right now. I'm going to talk more about those in a new video. I've also got my French Air Force jacket, my Stone Island jacket, some shorts, a long sleeve, my Issei knit, my Margiela knit, and I think that's it. That's what I'm bringing to Minnesota for Christmas. I thought it'd be a fun like going home vlog. You guys can come along with me and revisit the place where I grew up, the place where I'm from, beautiful land of Minnesota. I don't know if any of you guys have even heard of it, but it exists. Biggest bag you've ever seen in your life is right here. I packed way too much. There's an art to packing lightly, and I didn't do it today. Back to vaping air.
Were you overweight?
Was I overweight?
Yeah. You said your bag was heavy.
My bag was really heavy. No, it wasn't.
You got 45 pounds, I think. Hi.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you too. Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
So am I. Been snowing for the last 3 hours. It's gonna be cold. I hope you got plenty of warm clothes.
Not really.
It's gonna be below 0 the rest of the week. I don't think you look at the same place, but I like the name. I know I said there was 2 or 3 of them. Echoes, so I always check their sale. Every time I go in there, I find something on sale. They're Gore-Tex and they zipper, total waterproof. That's pretty cool. $200 and we got them for $100.
Oh, it just stalled, dude.
It stalled? What the fuck does that mean?
Yeah, dude, it doesn't feel nice.
Yeah, give it up.
Yeah. This is like raw. Like, I literally haven't touched it since we recorded. God damn. You see the angles? I think that's pretty good. I think that'll do it. I hate these speed bumps so much. I know, they're the worst. I think somebody came from the future to put these speed bumps to stop us from pushing over to Ezra. For real. I have like a grouper playlist of just like mixing all our songs from the different albums. And their discography is perfect for that.
Whoa, where we going?
I think I'm feeling it now, just like you do. Taking this from
So when I was back home in Minnesota, I was not only to spend time with my family, but I also had an opportunity to do a shoot for a brand called Jacove. Jacove is like a mix of garpcore and darkwear, but with heavy industrial tones. Shooting for Jacob's brand was like a really cool opportunity, but also somewhat of a challenge. And the reason why I say challenge is because his brand doesn't exactly fit my style, so I kind of had to stretch quite a bit to make something work and to make him happy. His whole brand is like designed and centered around the product. But even with these creative differences, we were able to find photos that fit both of our aesthetics. Jacob was happy, and I was happy that I could fit my style somewhat into his world.
Hello.
This is Ezra. Owen, say what's up.
Hello.
And I've been shooting, editing, and looking at all these photos. I got like 5,000, dude. I look defeated, dude. I'm really sick too, so.
The pizza did it to us.
We're the worst pizza in the entire universe. What is this? What is on body?
Craig, Uniqlo, Collection 2.
I've been wearing Ezra's parka the whole day. It's kept me warm. Look at this guy.
This dude.
I've known this guy since 2nd grade. It's my best friend right here. Introduce yourself, Owen.
My name is Owen Hoypel. I was born June.
Okay. That's disgusting.
Pray that's Pine Eagles.
Owen, how did the shoot go so far?
Pretty good. Stayed warm. Didn't lose any digits or the foots, the toes.
Yo, what up, man? Yo, I'm here with Tommy Pointer, and we're here. We're looking at some photos.
Damn.
You like that
I
one?
look like ASAP Bar, yeah. For some reason, the lighting in these is like perfect. Ooh, like look at that. He just flicked me up at this.
Okay.
Just flick up hella.
morning, everyone. Today, my friend, I was filming a music video. They wanted me to style a music video. I had like 2 days to do this. I was not prepared for this. I've been selling my entire closet, so I didn't really know what to do. I kind of reached out to a couple of people to see if I could like raid their closet, borrow some of their clothes, but no one answered, and I was kind of stuck with like what I had, and it was pretty difficult, but I made something work, I think. When I wake up this early, I get a stomach ache. I don't know why that is. I don't know, my stomach just was not prepared to do it, so yeah, no hands. It's a very chill morning. As you can see, the sun is sort of starting to rise. It's a beautiful blue haze. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm wearing these because I have to give him these shoes. Put the other ones on, I just want to see. Hello?
We're going to war and shit. The boys out here looking good. We're ready to serve and protect. Serve me right now.
Yeah, perfect. Alright, yeah, all in position. Whoa. I never seen a fucking plane do that shit.
I've got a good ghost story. It starts and ends with will and death. There's no home, not a port. No oxygen in between breaths.
That's got it.
That's the triple.
Got him.
say a huge shout out to Io Deji. He's like one of my best friends, and he's the most talented videographer in the freaking world. So if you haven't checked him out, you should check out everything he's ever done. It's the least I can say because this man is amazing. And Joseph is an amazing musician, and it was like an honor, honestly, to have been able to work on this project. But we spent all day shooting and all the week before in advance, like prepping for the video. Yeah, I mean, go stream the song. I went for like a simple outfit. I'm not sure, I think it was like 60s military jacket I found. I went with like my old farmer tee, just this one necklace I made, just some jeans and Converse, man. I kept it really simple, really timeless. It sort of tied into the whole military theme. Wasn't something too crazy. It does definitely feel like a Tommy Pointer fit. It wasn't anything crazy. I didn't go crazy. I'm no opium stylist. I'm no, you know, drain gang stylist. But like looking back on it now, I was stressed out because I thought the outfit was not it. But like it was decent. I don't want Joseph to come out here with the music video looking like Blade. You know, like I needed him to look kind of like who he is as a person. So it was cool. It was cool to be a part of this project. Here's a photo of me carrying around the fog machine, making the fog work, making the fog dance, whatever it did. It was hype. It was a great time. Amazing freaking music video. It's crazy. You've got to go check it out right now. If you're not searching it right after this video, you're not a real one. So I'm wearing one of the pieces from my new collection. It's called Wing Curtain Dance Relief, and it's a juxtaposition between dance and flight. I haven't talked too much about it yet, but this is the bomber crew neck paired with the corduroy johns. Yeah, but I don't want to show too much from the new collection. That's going to be an entirely different video, but I wanted to say good night and good morning, whatever, good afternoon to everyone who's watching this video. Thank you so much. Follow the brand page here and stay updated for this new collection. Been working crazy hard on it and grinded out this video for you guys because I know you miss me. I miss you too. I miss myself. I'm feeling better now that I am getting this video done, getting the collection done, but I did feel very weird for quite a while. So step 1, take notice of the small things. Step 2, learn about holistic medicine. Step 3, go on walks. Step 4, get off your phone. Step 5, love yourself. And I haven't even followed any of these steps yet, but I'm working on it. So, all right, love you guys.